Welcome, and thank you for joining me for this stillness meditation. Take a moment to get comfortable, whether sitting on the floor or on a chair. Gently close your eyes. Begin to notice your breath as you breathe in deep, full breaths and slowly breathe out. As you are getting settled, begin to notice what you are already experiencing. The sounds, sensations, emotions, the thoughts that are there. Just notice what's already there, without following off onto any particular thought. Just acknowledge what's there. No judgment. Notice how you are experiencing this moment. Are you feeling calm or agitated? Focused or scattered? Present in this moment or distracted? Notice your body. Are you relaxed? Allow your shoulders to drop down, your neck to relax. See if you can just notice everything as it is, without getting caught up in labeling it good or bad. Give yourself permission to take this time to just explore what is going on inside, not following any particular thought or pushing anything away. Take a few moments to just be aware and to accept where you are at this present moment. Now, I'd like you to envision yourself sitting in your favorite place. Maybe it's your favorite chair with a cup of tea, or sitting in the grass at the park, or the sand at the beach. Feel the sensations around you. What does it feel like? Is it calm or Is there maybe a warm breeze? What are the smells? The sounds? Take some time to get comfortable and relaxed. Allow yourself to be fully in this place, relaxed, comfortable, safe. Let your mind find calm and quiet. Now become fully aware of your breathing and the sensations of your body. Notice the rise and fall of your belly as you take in full deep breaths. Again, acknowledge any thoughts or sensations as they float into your awareness. Picture them as a cloud gently floating away on a quiet day. No judgment, just acknowledge them and gently send them on their way. Continue to rest in the stillness of your breath. Let all the activity of the mind float away and let there just be stillness. As thoughts try to make their way into your stillness, choose to set them aside and to continue the stillness. Continue to focus on your breath. Notice this feeling of stillness. Remember this feeling, this calm, this stillness, and choose to keep it with you as you move into your day. use your breath to remind you to practice coming back into this stillness before and after each activity of your day. Take another deep breath. Begin to move around a bit as you gently come back into the room. Slowly open your eyes and move into the remainder of your day.